We do hope na itong pagtipon-tipon natin ngayon magbubunga ng at least ma-enlighten po tayo na saan tayo ngayon pupunta as member of the MILF. I'm here to speak as member of the MILF to remind myself, and maybe I would like to remind all of you, na itong Moro Islamic Liberation Front ay nag-iisang organization na vehicle natin toward the peace and development in our region. I think all of us aware, as explained by our implementing panel chairman, na ang MILF ay nag-utilize sa kaniyang 4-point program. And that 4-point program na nag-lead sa atin for survival. At not just survival, we reach our goal and objectives as MILF. So because of that, after the negotiation, as he mentioned kanina, ay nanatili yung 3-point program, Islamization, strengthening of organization, self-reliance, at medyo natin sinisit aside yung militarization na program ng MILF. Because we agreed with the national government na mag-decommission na, mag-normalization na tayo, because na-reach na natin ng isa sa goal natin, establishing a Bangsamoro government na merong self-determination, or translated yung objective natin, pangarap natin na someday magkaroon tayo ng self-determination through our struggle. So because of that, I am focusing, kasi medyo kunti yung oras natin, I am focusing on the one program in which self-reliance, to remind myself and you how important the self-reliance and ano yung naibigay niya sa atin na benefit hanggat na-reach natin itong Bangsamoro government. Actually, based on my observation, hindi ko na i-define ano yung self-reliance, baka hindi po correct yung perspective ko. But since sa pagpasok ko fully sa MILF, ito yung observation ko sa implementation ng self-reliance. First, self-reliance must have an independent na pag-iisip at decision. At nakita ko yan sa Moro Islamic Liberation Front, na they are establishing the association based on trust on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wala nang iba, kundi they have a collective, consultative decision based on the trust on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Pati yung mga mujahidin na noon hindi pa MILF, marami sa kanila ang gumagamit ng anting-anting. But noon, ini-implement na yung principle na only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala dapat natin bigyan sa sarili natin with the trust na anong mangyari, yun ang makakabuti sa Kanya. Anong mangyari, yun ang will ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At palagi ko yan naririnig sa our Chief Minister as chairman ng MILF. Throughout the negotiation, palagi ko naririnig na anong makakabuti sa Allah, yun naman ang mangyayari. So that, for me, a manifestation of self-reliance. By the way, self-reliance is not only economically principle. Throughout ng activity na human being must be, kung gusto niya mag-success, must be on the basis of self-reliance. Pangalawa, na nakita ko sa MILF, on that basis, na nasit na niya ang kaniyang ultimate objective. Ano yung ultimate objective ng umpungan natin? Yung self-determination. Nasabi ng ating butihin chairman ng panel ay we can give up everything, but this is the one must be never be negotiated, not never be i-give up, dahil ito yung pinaka-ultimate objective ng Bangsamoro. We salute you, Chairman, for that commitment na kahit umabot ng 17 years ang negotiation, hindi niya ginigive up yung self-determination. And I think that's the ultimate objective of our struggle. Pangatlo, na nakita ko, consistency, embracing of the MILF, all possible strategies. As I said, based on the trust of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, ang conclusion ko dito, because lahat namang bagay may reason, ay kahit dumaan tayo sa pinaka-challenges, ay naabot pa rin natin itong sinasabi natin na naabot natin ay hindi free. Bunga ng struggle, bunga ng pawis, dugo, at alam ninyo paano natin naabot ito. Because of that principle, for me, yan ang pininiwalaan ko na reason why we reach this with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, dahil medyo kailangan, kunti lang ang oras na magamit natin sa pagsasalita, I conclude my message na ngayon, I think all of us agree na ang na-reach na natin na self-determination embodied by the Bangsamoro Regional Government, ngayon led by our Chief Minister Ahod Balawag Ibrahim, ay gusto natin ma-maintain at ma-sustain sa kahit anong paraan na legal and democratic process. But my recommendation, let us go back to the principle na we have to believe na kahit anong gawin natin, Allah pa rin ang mag-decision, at therefore we submit ourselves first to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, na we collectively pray na sana itong naabot natin na self-determination embodied our government ay sana manatili rin tayo mag-lead nito because this is the only way we can see the future of the Bangsamoro bright, and we can see everybody have a freedom and peaceful na pamumuhay in the Bangsamoro region. Pangalawa, huwag nating kalimutan ng collective and consultative na values ng MILF ay hindi natin iyan isit aside because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala described the leadership of the Muslim in which di Bangsamoro, sabi niya, wa amruhum shura bainahum, lahat ng bagay ay dumaan sa consultation and consultative. At that's why we are now here, para makonsulta po kayo ng mga Bangsamoro, membro ng MILF. Third, kailangan natin, like what they said while ago, na kailangan natin ang unity. Very strong unity because no alternative na makuha natin at mamintain natin yung anong narating natin ngayon kung mawatak-watak po tayo. So, hanggang dito lamang, I remind myself and all of you na may kasabihan na dakasalig sa kapit. Salig ka sa ginawa. So, Bangsamoro, salig ka sa MILF. Daka sumalig sa di ka na MILF. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ato ka Bangsamoro.